Meaning of furnish.
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 Furnish. The word furnish means to provide or supply something, usually furniture, equipment or other necessary items, for a specific purpose or use. It can also refer to the act of decorating or finishing a space with appropriate furniture and accessories. When you furnish a room, you are essentially giving it a functional and aesthetically pleasing design. Furnishing a space can greatly impact the atmosphere and functionality of the area, and can transform an empty room into a comfortable and livable space that serves its intended purpose.